So nō ngai tahu, Ngāti Kahungunu, Ngāti Toa, Boku Iwi, Karaitiana Taiuru tuku ingoa. So when I was a young adult, the claim got settled. So I can see that it can take generations to achieve something like the Waitu62 claim. But as long as everyone sticks together and is committed to the kaupapa, I believe it's going to happen soon. Te Aki Taonga for me personally is about being the kaitiaki of our own DNA, whether it's in our human bodies or whether it's in our tuakana species, they're all of our taonga species. And ensuring that we have the kaitiaki and the rangatira of our own taonga species. First of all, I would create an institute, a research institute for all of our taonga species so that no research and no patents can go ahead without tangata whenua approval. And what that process would go through would be kaitiakitanga, ownership, engagement. And then I'd also have a minister of, a certain minister that looks after the whole Waitu62 claim, and an office that supports that minister. And then, but basically ensuring that what we're asking for in Waitu62 just becomes a normal part of the education and the governance system. If our whānau and our marae actually realise the impact of Waitu62, that it's going to be a collective benefit for everybody, and that our kaitiaki will still be kaitiaki of their own backyards. I think once they understand that, that would be a really good way to get everyone back on board or to become part of the Waitu62. Te Aki Taonga, he kaitiaki mō ngā iti, mō ngā rahi, he oranga taonga te whai.